It's me, Nadia, and welcome to my birthday sleigh.
You still gonna look busted like this when I'm done? How old you gonna be?
13.
Oh, look at Jesus. Okay, turn around. Let us see the bag. Oh my goodness. Watch the transformation. Say it.
Watch the transformation.
Come closer. We can't see you, Nadia. Come closer. Come closer. Say, watch my transformation.
Watch my transformation.
Use your arms.
Watch my transformation.
Amen. Hey y'all, it's me Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, as you have already seen, I will be doing Nadia's hair for her 13th birthday. Lord have mercy. And of course, as you saw, I was very much so having fun with embarrassing her because I feel like that's my duty as a mother, to embarrass you from time to time. And I don't think she really too much liked it, but who cares? So anyways, for this tutorial, I'll be doing a quick birthday sleigh. This is basically 2-layer tribal braids. There's nothing hard about this style. It's just feed-in layers, 2 feed-in layers. And as you can see, I'm just starting the braid or starting the cornrow with her hair, and I'm feeding in the hair as I go along. I've had someone ask me how do I count the pieces that I put in, and to be honest, I really don't. If it feels like it's even and it looks like it's even, I just stop adding hair. I can kind of feel it more than I can count the pieces. So that's what works easiest for me. I don't really have time to be doing mathematical equations while I'm doing hair. I just really don't. Nor do I section off the pieces for each braid. I really don't have that much time in my life to do that. So I just literally pull from whatever bundle I have sitting on the side of me, and I just add in as I go. Also, let me mention the products that I'm using. As you can see, the big blob on my hand is Shine and Jam. I use this to define the parts and for, slickerization for those edges, as you will see when I get to the front. The braiding hair that I'm using, as you can see the t-shirts in the background, I represent Easy Braid. I'm a Easy Braid ambassador. I love this company. I love their hair. It makes all of my styles go by so much quicker because I don't have to stretch the hair, and they are truly a blessing. I completely love this hair. This is the only hair that I use. And I'm using Ebin Edge Control for her edges. Well, that's pretty much all the explaining I'm going to do in this tutorial. If you have any questions about anything you feel I did not explain, just hit me up in the comment section and I'll probably make a separate video for it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and there will be more videos coming soon. Bye-bye.